This isn't just a building. It's a time capsule, a community anchor, and a glimpse into Pontiac's proud past. But what does it take to save a century-old treasure and bring it back to life? Hidden artwork, forgotten innovations, and a 20,000-gallon oil tank buried beneath the surface. Webster Elementary is full of surprises, each with its own story to tell. Hi, I'm Chris, and today we're uncovering the remarkable story of Webster Elementary School in Pontiac, Michigan. A building with nearly 55,000 square feet of history, from its innovative design in 1921 to its ongoing restoration as a community hub. This is a journey through time, architecture, and resilience. Let's explore its legacy. In the early 20th century, Pontiac was booming, and its neighborhoods needed schools that reflected the city's ambition. Webster Elementary was strategically placed on a spacious plot on West Huron Street, once home to the Recreational Park Addition and Oakland County Agricultural Society grounds. This central location positioned the school as a vital resource for the growing community. To design the school, the district commissioned Perkins, Fellows & Hamilton, a Chicago-based firm renowned for their work in educational architecture. Their designs weren't just functional, they were groundbreaking. They believed schools should inspire learning while fostering community, a vision fully realized in Webster Elementary. Spanning 54,800 square feet, Webster Elementary was a masterpiece of classic revival and prairie school architectural styles. The tan-orange brick facade was paired with intricate cast stone ornamentation, creating a balance of durability and elegance. The symmetrical U-shaped layout provided open courtyard spaces for recreation while maximizing light and airflow throughout the building. The design included wide staircases to reduce crowding, terrazzo flooring for durability, and large multi-pane windows that flooded classrooms with natural light. Every detail was intentional, reflecting Perkins' philosophy that schools should serve as both educational institutions and community centers. Named after Elmer R. Webster, a trailblazer in Pontiac's educational system, the school honored a man who revolutionized public education in the city. As county superintendent and a trustee of Pontiac schools, Webster championed accessibility, innovation, and excellence, values that define the institution bearing his name. From the moment it opened its doors in 1921, Webster Elementary was a cornerstone of the community. Its gymnasium hosted basketball games and assemblies, while the auditorium became a stage for student performances and civic events. During the 1970s, the school played a critical role in Pontiac's desegregation efforts, symbolizing progress and hope in a changing society. Restoration revealed both challenges and treasures. A 20,000-gallon underground oil tank installed in the 1970s to fuel the school's boilers was a major environmental hazard. Its removal, funded by a $425,000 state grant, was a vital step in preparing the site for its next chapter. During the cleanup, workers uncovered a stunning 12 by 26-foot ley light in the social hall. Though the original glass will be replaced for safety, the intricate wood framing will be restored to its former glory. Beneath the bulletin board, whimsical chalkboard art from decades past offered a nostalgic glimpse into the lives of its students. Even hydraulic devices for roof ventilation, an early 20th century innovation, were found in the attic space. Perkins, Fellows, and Hamilton were pioneers in educational architecture. Known for their work across the Midwest, their designs emphasized accessibility, safety, and community. Perkins' belief in schools as holistic centers for learning and social connection is evident in Webster's wide halls, plentiful windows, and functional yet elegant design. These elements made Webster Elementary a leader in modern school architecture. Today, Webster Elementary is being transformed into the Webster Community Center, thanks to Micah 6 Community and a $21 million investment. The building will house 6 Head Start classrooms, a food co-op, art therapy programs, a walk-in clinic, and spaces for small businesses and community events. Walking these halls, it's easy to imagine what they could become. The silence feels heavy, like it's waiting for something new. From classrooms filled with laughter to a gym echoing with cheers, Webster Elementary is alive again. Families connect, neighbors collaborate, and creativity flourishes. The building isn't just restored, it's reborn as the heart of the community. Sometimes all it takes is a dream to see what's possible. And here, the dream is already coming to life. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Webster Elementary's past, present, and future. What do you dream this space could become? Share your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow as we bring this vision to life. I'm Chris, and this is where history meets community. Subscribe for more stories that honor the past and shape the future.